So here I have the Kingston A400 Drive and the SanDisk SSD drive. They're both SSDs. They're both capable of being boot drives. We want to compare how the write and read speeds are for both these drives. Now I'm using this drive currently as my boot drive, but I need to upgrade to a bigger size. This is a 480, this is a 240. Now the size doesn't really matter too much, does it matter? We just want to see how comparable these two drives are in terms of read and write speeds, and we'll check them out on using software on the computer to see which one's better for you in terms of your OS, or even what you're going to do with your content creation or files management, whatever. So here we have the Kingston 240 gigabyte drive. This is the read and write, as you see right here. 263 read, 178 write. This is after about 5 years of use. So it's held up pretty fine. So it's deteriorated a little bit, but for this drive, being a OS drive or boot drive, it served its purpose. Here are the read and write speeds for the SanDisk SSD, the 480 gigabyte one. As you can see, 263 read, 228 write. Very good numbers. This is obviously a fresher drive, a newer drive, but it does really well. And this is very solid. This is using SATA. So after doing read and write tests for both these drives, they're very comparable in terms of the read speeds, around 200 plus read. Writes could be a lot better. Now, the Kingston one obviously is an older drive, so it deteriorated over time, whereas this is still very solid. I can't see you going wrong with any of these drives. Now, if you connect this during SATA versus USB, there might be some differences, but these drives are meant as boot drives, and it works really well for that purpose. So 220 read, maybe around the 200 write speeds for both. Either option is pretty solid.